Today I am going to give a presentation on important points for laying of GSB in payments. Let me start with the sequence of the presentation. I am going to cover what is GSB exactly and its grading and its physical requirement for the materials, construction operations, quality control check at site, quality control test frequency. Introduction: GSB consists of laying and compacting well graded materials on prepared subgrade. GSB acts as a drainage layer for the pavement to avoid excessive wetting and weakening of the subgrade. The materials to be used for the work shall be natural sand, crushed gravel, crushed stone, crushed slag or combination thereof depending upon the grading required. Grading for GSB as shown. Sieve sizes varies from 75 mm to 75 micron we use. Different types of grading used, that is grading 1 to grading 6 based on the availability of the materials, rainfall intensity, weather and climatic conditions. The percentage by weight passing through the IS sieve of size 75 mm is 100% for all the grades, and for 75 micron is less than 5% for the grade 1 to grade 4, whereas grade 6 is 0 to 3%. Physical requirement for the materials. Aggregate impact value as per IS 2386 part 4 maximum to be 40. Liquid limit as per IS 2720 part 5 maximum value is 25%. Plasticity index as per IS 2720 maximum to be 6%. CBR California bearing ratio at 98% dry density as per IS 2720 minimum 30 unless otherwise specified in the contract. Construction operations. Preparation of the subgrade. Prior to laying of the subbase or GSB, the subgrade shall be prepared, sprinkled with the water and rolled with 80 to 100 kN smooth wheel roller. Spreading and compaction. The subbase materials of specified grading shall be mixed with the water mechanically so as to get the homogeneous and uniform mix achieved. The mix shall be spread with the help of motor grader having hydraulic control for maintaining required slope. Immediately after spreading the mix, rolling shall be done with a smooth wheel roller of 80 to 100 kN. Rolling shall be commenced at lower edge and proceed towards the upper edge longitudinally. Speed of the roller shall not exceed 5 km per hour. Rolling shall be continued till the density achieved is at least 98% of maximum dry density, that is MDD. Material passing 75 micron sieve shall be less than 5%. It shall be restricted to 2% for drainage layer in high rainfall areas. The photograph showing the various activities of the GSB. Photograph 1 showing the spreading of the GSB with motor grader. Photograph 2 showing the leveling of the GSB mix, and photograph 3 showing the rolling of the GSB layer with smooth wheel roller, and photograph 4 showing the level check of the GSB layer with the leveling instrument. Quality check at site. Photograph showing the quality check at the site. Generally we use sand replacement method to check the field density at the site. Right side photograph showing the field density check report conducted at the site. Quality control test frequency. Gradation as per IS 2386 part 1, the frequency is 1 test per 200 cubic meter. Moisture content prior to compaction as per IS 2720 part 2, the frequency is 1 test per 250 cubic meter. Density of the compacted layer frequency is 1 test per 250 square meter. Aggregate impact value as per IS 2386 part 4, the range is maximum 40% and the frequency is 1 test per 500 cubic meter. Liquid limit as per IS 2720 part 5, the range is maximum 25% and frequency as per requirement at site. Similarly, plasticity index as per IS 2720 part 5, the range is maximum 6% and the frequency is as per requirement at the site. CBR, that is California bearing ratio at 98% dry density. IS 2720 part 5, range is minimum 30. The frequency is as required basis at the site. Thank you. Jai Hind.